Anyone else feel really weird when their hair is done, but like nothing else is done? I feel very weird right now. Oh, and also just realized that I only have one earring in. Good job, Rachel. Way to be on top of things. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a new first impression video, and this is all around the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection. And I actually went out to LA, I think it was last week in case you missed it, on Instagram, and I went out and actually saw the Vault Collection like displayed in the store, and so I picked up the two that were in stock and I thought it'd be fun to play around with them. And so when I went online to kind of learn more about the products and her ideas behind them and all that stuff, I actually noticed that she had two tutorials already up using the palettes, which makes sense, obviously, it's her collection. But it gave me the idea that I thought would be really fun to try and follow one of her tutorials so I could have like a first impression on the product and also see how it compares to what she's able to create with the same products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the little notification bell so you don't miss out on when new videos go live every Thursday and also on Sunday. So without further ado, let's get into this. So first thing first, I'm gonna find the tutorial on my phone. Jaclyn Hill Vault. Boom, found it. It's a little loud, let's turn that down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so the tutorial I'm gonna follow is her first tutorial using the Vault Collection, because it is my understanding, I haven't watched all of it obviously because I didn't want to give away the surprise, but it's my understanding that she uses the two palettes that I was able to find, Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss. They were also my two favorites, so this works out well. And this look is very much in her wheelhouse, warm golds and smoky browns, like a very classic Jaclyn Hill look, so this should be fun. Okay, now that we're zoomed in, you can see I already have my base done, I have my brows done, as she did as well, because she wanted to focus this entire tutorial on the eyeballs. And let's see what palette she goes in with first.
Into the eyes, I'm going in with the Ring the Alarm palette brush, which is this really, of course, every single color I'm going to tell you. This is this really beautiful orangey shade. It's so amazing.
She does love a good orange shade. If it looks like a pumpkin spice latte, Jaclyn will probably like it. And here we have the shade Rush. Okay, check.
And it's perfect for the transition area because even though it's orange, it still has like a paleness to it and a softness.
So she's taking a Morphe brush. It looks like it's just like a fluffy brush. So I'm going to be using, I think, this one. No, I think I want to use this one. This one's a little bit smaller, which is similar to hers.
So I just have a little bit of that color laid down. If we bring this color up like by the brow in the inner corner, it's going to give us kind of like a meaner look and more like really intense.
Ooh, a meaner look. I didn't even thought of that. Okay, keeping it low. Keeping it low. Get low, get low, get low, get low. It is actually a really pretty shade. I was expecting it to look a lot more orange than it's looking. Yeah, she really looks like she's like almost packing it onto the upper part of the lid as well. Interesting. Okay, I can do that.
I'm gonna go in with the shade Access right here, which is
we're going into the other palette now. Oh, this is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I don't have that one. My bad. Sorry, Armed and Gorgeous was sold out, so we're gonna have to go in with this shade, which is similar at least in shade, though I don't know in quality, which is by Maybelline. This is the Lemonade Craze shade. So she's putting this over top. I can do that, and then bringing it up towards the brow. It does make the shade more like sunny looking, which is interesting. I don't know how many other palettes that I missed. Did she throw in the original too? Did I miss that one?
Shade Mugshot right here. It is like this matte, creamy, warm, caramelly, like
that color.
Orangey, kind of poopy, like baby, pukey, kind of just like yummy toffee brown.
Yummy toffee, poopy, baby, pukey brown. All right.
And with a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to just put that right on, but a little bit below what we just did.
M433. Oh my gosh, I have that brush. Oh, I missed what she was saying. Oh, we're putting it all over.
Doesn't matter if you're like messy or you like don't blend this area because we're gonna cover it up anyways. So we're just focusing on the outer corner for now.
Patting it in, keeping it on the lid. Okay, so she seems to do one eye on just on the one side, and then she stops and does like a powder thing.
Just all of my fallout, and it'll help to create that cat eye that we're going for.
Okay, so she's using this to sort of help to catch any of the fallout and help define that area. I don't have that sponge, but you know, this little one from Physicians Formula works. And now let's continue to pat this color in. I have a bit of a hooded lid too, so some of the product doesn't get into the little space that like flaps over, so I have to like lift it. Give myself a little bit of a brow lift, you know? And I don't see that fallout that we're trying to catch, but I guess the night is young.
Right here, which is the purple palette, and I'm gonna grab the shade Sparks, which is this gorgeous matte red.
It is pretty.
I'm going to mix it with, I don't know, I think I want to mix it with Alert right here.
Mix it with Alert.
Orange
Okay, so these two. I think she's using the same brush. She's excited.
I am just putting this on the entire outer corner of the eye to just basically give it more of like a punch and make it redder.
So she's just blending those two shades together, putting them on the outer corner. This is very fall vibes. That might have been too high. Oops. Okay, now that I've packed it on, now she is going back in with that yellow shade. Is this the same brush or a different brush? Oh, no, it's a different brush. Okay, we're just gonna use that to blend out the crease. I feel like my crease right here is a little bit like wonky. I think I wanna like bring it up a bit more. So I'm just gonna take the Rush shade and just like pat a little bit more in, you know? A little bit more, just right there. And then blend it. I keep forgetting that I need to like flick it out. I feel like Jaclyn's gonna hound me. I'm not doing it right. I feel like half of my powder is off. This needs to be higher up, Rachel.
I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. I'm gonna grab this yellow shade right here.
Oh, she's taking a shade that's not from her palette and adding it to the inner corner. Okay. Well, I don't have that shade. So I'm gonna take this shade right here. She's using the Kat Von D one, but this one I think is fairly similar. What are we doing? We're just putting this in the inner corner?
All of that powder from the eyeshadow that came into the inner corner, this is gonna help like really blend it out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light.
Tarte Shape Tape. Shape Tape, where are you? Do you hear that obnoxious level of searching through concealer? Like, how many concealers does a girl need? This is too many. So I'm gonna use the shade Fair Neutral because I'm a little bit lighter than she is.
I'm going to carve out that inner part of my eye.
Okay, we can do that.
While that is still tacky, I'm gonna go in with the shade On Camera from the Ring the Alarm palette.
Okay, so she's not bringing this in too far. She's just putting like a tiny bit. Shh, Jaclyn, hang on. She's just putting a tiny bit on and just kind of bringing it to the center.
And tap it right over top.
That does not work very well. I need a bigger brush.
Okay, I'm gonna pick up the MAC 242, a little Fix Plus.
Fix Plus?
You dip that into the On Camera gold shade, and I'm gonna give it a little spritzy pie.
Okay.
And then I'm going to just go right.
Oh, I just sprayed that all over myself. Way to aim that properly, Rachel. All right, and then we're just gonna pack that onto the lid. Oh, that's much better. It's way more of a yellow gold than I would ever reach for like on my own, but I really like how it works with some of the soft overtones of the yellowy kind of orange shade that we used as a transition. Like it all kind of works together.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with this really beautiful chocolatey shade right here. This is a matte brown, and this is called Secret.
Okay, Secret.
Go in with a clean Morphe M433. You don't have to use a clean brush, but I'm just choosing to. Go ahead and dab a little bit on.
I don't have a clean brush, okay, Jaclyn?
Just
okay,
stamp it.
Stamp,
I
stamp.
have a little bit of Framed, which is the shade right next to it. So I'm just gonna go like a little.
Okay, so we're mixing with a little. There's a lot of eyeshadows on my eyes right now. Like I feel like we've done a lot of layers. Woo! Scared me. That was terrifying. It kind of reminds me of Shrek. An eye look. It's like an onion. It's got lots of layers. And she's just focusing that on the lid.
Like we are just lightly stamping, and then we're gonna go back over the gold again. I know it's like such a high maintenance.
Whoa, hold on. Going back over the gold. Going back over the gold.
Just a lot of steps.
Oh, lightly. So sorry, eyeball. Okay, we're gonna go lightly. Lightly stamping. And she's just doing it like all the way across, it looks like all over. And like really lightly, even over top of the brown. Ooh, that's really pretty.
And I'm going to put it starting. Oh, that color is so beautiful.
She's so excited about her shadows, it's adorable. So it's sort of like a transition glitter shade. Wait for me, Jaclyn.
With some Fix Plus.
Fix Plus?
Dab that right where those two shades meet.
Okay.
Just because why not?
Why not indeed? I thought I was done eyeshadow, but apparently I'm not done yet.
Now that I wipe the translucent powder away, you can see how I have that cat eye right there. Once we go in with the lower lash line though, and the lashes, we will be in a much better place.
You're going to dust away all this powder. I feel like this part right here is not as blended as I want it to be. I feel like I want to blend it a little bit more before I go on to the next part.
Okay, I'm going to start off by going in with the shade Mugshot right here. Same
Mugshot.
shade we use on the upper lash line.
So we're just blending this all the way along, right to the inner corner, question mark? Just going all the way to the inner corner and like blending it down.
Okay, I'm going to go in with the shade Access again, right here. And I'm going to mix
Access?
it with a little bit of, sorry, my dog is beneath me snorting. My phone is going off. I'm very distracted right now.
Oh, I feel you, girl. We're just gonna do like a blown out kind of a vibe underneath the eye. And this is too dense. I need something fluffier.
It's so fluffy. It feels weird to bring it down so low, but it just brings so much attention to your eye color and your eye shape once you're done.
All right. I trust you, Jaclyn.
I'm gonna go in with the color Framed, which is this matte, beautiful, like wine purple.
Winey purple.
Just really close to my lashes, on top of my lashes, actually.
Okay, on top of the lashes. Not in the lashes, not below the lashes, on the lashes. And I'm not saying this negatively, but man, there are so many steps to this eye look. Just smudge some purple on my eyes, don't worry about it. So far I'm feeling like the look that I've created here is very similar to the one that she's creating thus far, which makes me feel good about the quality that I have versus the quality that she has. Everything seems to be in sync. It seems to be blending out well. So far, so good.
So we're gonna go back in with a little pencil brush like this guy right here.
Going back in. We're going back in, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're blending out the purple that we just put on. Okay.
So now I'm gonna go in with my original palette right here. And
Aww.
the very first shade.
I don't have your original palette, I'm sorry. I did call it though, I did say that she would use it. And since I don't have those shades, I am going to use something similar. It's just very bright, very almost white, kind of ivory tone. I'm gonna try Let Me Explain by ColourPop. White shade. Well, she's applied a lot more than I have. Okay, I need to apply more of this shade, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of a white shade to really make this pop. Where's the Nikki Tutorials glazed donut? This is like the whitest shade I have. There we go. That's what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna grab a little black gel liner and put this on my inner waterline of my eye to really like make this smoky.
Okay, inner waterline gel, got it. Wow, what a difference finding the right brush makes. This is BH Cosmetics 12, but like I was trying to use like a little angled brush before and that was not working for me.
Okay, I'm gonna put a little mascara on and then I'm going to pop on some false lashes.
Mascara and false lashes. Well, she doesn't say what she's using. All right, something dramatic. Well, dramatic for me anyway. I'm probably gonna use the Barely There ones by Velour because you guys know these are my favorites. I got myself a brand new eyelash curler because I left my last one when I was collabing with Sylvia in LA. Stay tuned because that video is going up on Sunday. So fun. For mascara, I'm gonna use this as the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm gonna focus most of this on the inner part of the eye because this is where the lashes aren't going to be. And I just wanna make sure that it's gonna blend properly. Okay, lashes are on.
Okay, now moving on to the face, I'm gonna touch up my under eye because I definitely can see that like some of that shadow kind of fell down.
Okay, powder, under eyes, brighten, check.
And bronze the cheekbones.
Bronze the cheekbones. I don't have the one she used, but I have this one by Guerlain and I really, really like it. So that's the one I'm gonna use.
Ever so slightly contour my nose. I'm gonna go in with...
Oh, nose contour. The worst. Fine. Fine, I'll do it.
I'm gonna go in with a little corally, kind of like peachy action.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna stick with this one right here. Yeah, it's like a really pretty like apricot.
It's totally apricot. Calling it apricot. It does look kind of like a mix of the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon and Melba by MAC. So I'm gonna use like a mix of these to do it. Just pop a little bit of both on the brush. Oh, she does look...
Here's going to blushify these cheeks. I can never have enough blush. I love clown cheeks so much.
Same.
Right now, Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder.
Okay. Oh. All right. So I have my ambient lighting powders here.
A very subtle highlight, but it's so pretty.
That is not subtle. Mine's subtle though. I feel like mine's not showing up the way hers is. No, is that just me? All right.
And then we'll make this look even more natural by tapping over it with a beauty sponge.
Beauty
So
sponge.
this sponge is still quite damp, and we're just going to dab over everything.
All right. This is actually a really good way of getting rid of any excess powder that you have on your skin. You don't want anything that's too wet. You don't want like a super damp sponge, but anything that has just a little bit of dampness to it is going to do the trick.
Okay, so for my actual highlight.
Oh, good. She's doing a highlight.
Go in. Little baby circular motions.
Baby circular motions. All right. I do have the one with Ambreezy, so maybe I'll grab that one. That's embarrassing. I just went into the other room looking for the product and it was literally right behind me. This is such a beautiful highlight, guys. Cannot get enough of it. Circular, circular. Woo! Yes.
None. And I'm going to drench my face.
Oh, okay. Okay, I guess we're done with the highlight then. Okay, but I like a good nose highlight. And I think I'm actually gonna mix two today. I found this to be really good. It is the Flower Beauty Matte Finish Seal the Deal one and the Cover FX Dewy Finish. I like to do this one first and then put a little of this on top to add a dewiness, but it doesn't like overkill it, you know? So I'm gonna spray it on. Especially on the lower part. I don't know why I continue to talk. And then a little of this on top. Both of them have a very, very fine mist, which I love. And they just mix really well together. I really like it.
One more time on the lower half of my face.
Oh, we're gonna spray again. Okay, and then lips. We've got something super neutral. Okay, so a liquid lipstick. Let's use Midnight Snack by ColourPop. Sorry, I had to fix my lighting there.
Let's go over this with a little shimmy. This is a gloss by Morphe. It's like an orangey undertone with a little golden reflex in it.
Oh, okay. All right, so I'm going to actually use one this is by Urban Decay. This is their Hi-Fi Shine, and this is in the shade Midnight Cowgirl. Same sort of vibe, nice and neutral, and also has that bit of like a gold sheen to it. Oh, this is really nude.
I'm actually gonna go over that with Morphe Flower Crown Lip Gloss and put that in the center.
Another gloss?
I'm just gonna put on a little mascara now just to...
Okay, she didn't really specify what that color was, so I'm just gonna use this one by Sleek. It's a Lip Shot Gloss. Oh, no I'm not. I take it back. I'm gonna use Fly by Bare Minerals. Now what are we doing?
This look. I'm just gonna put on a little mascara now just to finish off this look.
I thought we already put on mascara. Oh, lower lashes. Right. All right, what do you guys think? We have Jaclyn's look, we have my look. What are we thinking? Honestly, I really loved how this whole look actually turned out, and I liked the tutorial too. She really went into a lot of details on which shadows she was using, how she was applying them, where she was applying them, and the layering was really fun. It was exhausting, but it was fun. I really liked the look. I like the palettes. I will continue to experiment and play around with them. Thus far, I think they're great. Have you guys tried them though? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried out any of her palettes or collaborations before, and check out the videos on the screen in case you are interested in some more videos. I did one recently where I tried to follow Nikki Tutorial's audio only of a tutorial, and it was interesting. Don't forget to subscribe. You can click on the screen or in the little subscribe button down below and click on the little bell notification so you don't miss out on new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And that's everything. I hope you guys are having an awesome start to your week, and I'll see you guys all on Thursday. Love you all. Mwah.